Right, I'm back. Now, I've started using the silk ribbon. I just thought I'd let you join me again. Now, I'm using the silk ribbons, which are these. They're absolutely gorgeous. We do have them in. And I've made individual petals, and all you do is you cut a strip, you fold it in half, you curve it, burnish it with the lighter, and then you stitch on the flat edge, and you end up with petals like that. And then what you do is, I've done 5, glue them around, and then I've made a little yellow organza to go with that. But before I do that, I'm also going to add, like I've done with this one, oops, wait a minute, a lace frill as well. Now these, I will show you how to do that flower, but I'm first going to just finish this one for you. Now let me just straighten this off. We have this as well in stock, and I've got some gorgeous, bloody gorgeous stuff coming in, girls and boys and girls, gents, ladies and gents. Right, I'm just gonna quickly do this. Yeah, we have really, I've got a blister, look, poorly blister. And we've got some awesome stuff coming in. I've got some fabulous kits coming out. Do you remember we used to do a lot of kits and then we moved out that unit and come back here? But we are going to start doing them all again. And we sold hundreds of kits. Hundreds. So I'm going to go back to doing them. I'm on about proper kits that we sold. I'm just collecting all the stuff in. I'm scouring the earth, looking for certain things that nobody else has got, or things that we haven't seen for a long time, and getting as many things in as I can to do the kits. And you will love them. We've got some awesome things coming in. And the kits will be gorgeous, I can guarantee you that. I'm tired today. I've been busy. I've got to go out yet, and when it cools down a bit, I'm going to go out and sort the garden out. We've got to de-head everything and take things off that have now died, and take things out, replant stuff for the next few weeks. But yeah, just going to put a touch of glue. Right, did that on me as well then, look. No wonder I burn myself all the time. Now, I don't want that on there. It's too big. It's not what I would after, is it? Oh yeah, it is. Sorry. Right, I'm going to have to change my glue stick. They're on the go all the time in my house, the glue guns. I'm just going to pull that in a little bit and pull that centre in. I've just spoken to my granddaughter, who was 18. Well, she's 18 on Tuesday. So, now, do I want to do that? Do you know what? I might just have a little bit of bling. Let's have a look. Oh, gorgeous. Yes. We'll use it. There we go. Oh, look at that. And I've put the back on it already. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? So I'm just going to pop some more glue in here. That's it. That's how I want it. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love making flowers. I'll never ever get tired of doing them. So we've done that one. I've got that one. I will show you that petal shortly. That one and that one. What I'm trying to do, and these that I made a little bit earlier on. So let's have another go at something. What we're doing now. Sorry, I'm playing. I don't know what you're doing. You sat watching me play. I'm going to do the pink organza one with this one. We've got both in. Oh. Now this is 1.5 inches wide. And like I say, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Now, I need them all together. And I'm just going to curl them. And then we're going to make sure they're all the same length. So I've cut these about 3 inches. Just going to singe them. And we're doing it on the straight edge, not the curved. And that gives us our petal shape. And we can do that. And then straight away, we take it to the end. I'm going to put that over and pull that tight. That's that one. And they will sit one under each other. Like that. And just help them along, which you can. It's just to dab a little bit of glue. On the end. On the very end. That's all you need to do. Because it's sheer fabric, so it just helps it. Oops, so we've got that. I'm going to take a bit of fabric here. Cut a circle. Easy peasy. Sort of. Just pop that on there. Like that. Press that down. That holds the petals down. They're not going to go anywhere. Take this lace, which is gorgeous. It's super soft. Really nice. I'm going to take approximately 18 inches. And the flat lace. It's just beautiful. Look at that. Like I say, we do have it in the shop. Let's do a running stitch. I've got my old bud jewels coming down shortly for a cuppa. She's probably fallen asleep after having a Sunday dinner. She can't hack it these days. She's always asleep. She sleeps in afternoon now. She's only a year older than me. And you poor old git. She's going, but I'm tired. I get tired right easily. I went, I do, but you just carry on. She's going, oh no, Fiona, you carry on. I don't want to. She said, I like my sleep. God, I hope they don't stop us going away in October. I will be so peed off if they do. But more likely they will. It sure is annoying people though, because it's the elite don't seem to do what they want us to do. They just want us to do it and not them. It'll come back on them at the ballot box. Oh, there we go. That'll do that. Can't be bothered. It's going to get glued. Won't matter. Right. Open that up. Start where you finished off. Just do that. Round and round and round. Evens the flower out. Take hold of your flower. Now, these are just simple, basic flowers. So, there we go. Now, what I want for that is, I think I've got some, I could put one of those in. That would be, oh, that would be pretty, wouldn't it? But then I love them. And this is more elegant. Let me just see. I could put 3 of them in. I could just put some of them in. I think that, no, it's too dark. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got another one. I need one more of them and then I'm well away. Yep, somewhere. Oh no, but I've got that, look. See, that's one of the ones that I used in the blue, which I'm going to share with you how to make that. Oh God, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. That on top. I might do it, yeah, I'm not sure. Yes, I do like that. It's going on. Yes, I like it. So I'm going to show you how to make that one next. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my. That's a real new baby flower or a wedding flower. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? See? You just have to play. That's what it's about. Playing. Me likey. I like that. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that centre for these flowers.